Hello guys, welcome to Genius Developer. I am a Java lead engineer having 10 plus years of experience in Java industry. I have worked in multiple tech park and MNCs across Bangalore and Chennai city guys. I have worked in ITPL Bangalore and Whitefield Bangalore. I have worked in Manyata Tech Park. I have worked in DLF Cyber City, Purur in Chennai. I have worked in Ramanujan IIT Park, Chennai, guys. And currently, I am working in DLF Cyber City. In my free time, I would like to mentor and guide to young Java professionals. So, today we are going to discuss one of the most important and beautiful topic about our IT industry, guys. That is about top hiring companies in India. What are the top hiring evergreen hiring MNCs in India? Uh, Suppose if anyone resigns in one company or going to leave one company, so another companies meantime they will start reaching you out and they will call for the new job openings, guys. And definitely they used to get within couple of months they will get new companies offer letter or new job opportunities, guys. So one the most beautiful thing in our IT MNCs in India, guys, whenever you will switch your company, when you will get new job or which company will offer you for new job opportunity, they will always give you like 30% salary hike or 40%, 50% even salary hike. They will give very easily, guys. So that is the plus point. And but one thing we have to look at that we have to upgrade our technical and professional skills meantime, guys. So let's coming to our topic, today's topic, guys. So what are the top evergreen hiring MNCs in India 2026, guys? And we will discuss approximately how many they are hiring for how many candidates annually, guys. So these are the evergreen service based companies, guys. Their volume higher volume is high but salaries are average, but even the salary range will be from 3 LPA to 35 LPA, guys. In India itself I am talking, guys. So here are the company lists, guys. So if we talk about Accenture, approximately they hire around 60,000 to 80,000 people annually. They include freshers and experienced both, guys. Same way TCS, they also hire from 35,000 to 55,000 candidates every year, guys. And they also mostly prefer freshers, TCS, and they also hire for experience, guys. And coming to Infosys, they also hire around 40,000 to 50,000 people every year. And Capgemini also hire from 40,000 to approx 60,000 people's are candidates in India, guys. And Wipro also has around 30,000 to 40,000 every year, guys. Same way HCL Technology also had 30,000 to 40,000 peoples every year, guys. And Cognizant has 20,000 to 30,000 candidates every year, guys. And LTI Mindtree also had from 6,000 to 10 to 15,000, guys, every year new candidates. And Tech Mahindra also has around 10,000 to 20,000 candidates every year. And IBM hires also 10,000 to 25,000 every year, guys. So these are the top MNC level companies, but meantime there are more other startup small companies also which employees headcount is less than suppose 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, so 25,000 like that, or less than 50,000, because all these MNC big MNCs they are having more than 1 lakh headcount employees. So they are doing more hiring than the smaller companies, guys. So the figure below are the industry estimates based on the company announcement, annual reports and hiring trends, guys. सो दीज आर द 2026 हायरिंग ट्रेंड गाइस. ये 2026 का हायरिंग ट्रेंड है, जैसा जो हायर कर रही कंपनीज वो हम आपको यहाँ शेयर कर रहे हैं. और उसके बाद जो मेन कंपनीज आती हैं टॉप हायरिंग एमएनसीज में, जो प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज हैं, टॉप प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज. तो प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज में इनका जो वॉल्यूम हायरिंग का होता है लो होता है, पर सैलरी बहुत हाई होता है गाइस. इनका सैलरी बकेट जो है ये बहुत हाई होता है, लाइक 15 LPA टू 1 CR तक ईजिली दे देते हैं गाइस इन इंडिया में ही. तो हम कंपनी के बारे में देखते हैं. इसमें जो टॉप प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी में आ जाता है अमेजन. अमेजन लगभग अप्रॉक्सीमेट एवरी ईयर 3000 से 8000 पीपल को हायर करती है. Microsoft from 1000 to 3000 people they hire, and Google hire from 500 to 2000 candidate every year, and Oracle hires 2000 to 5000 candidates every year, and Adobe hires 500 to 1500 candidates every year, and Salesforce hires 500 to 1500 candidates every year, and ServiceNow hires 500 to 1500 candidates every year, guys. So these companies are the main product based companies, guys, which India they hire in high packages from 50 LPA to 1 CR. Also it can beyond also 1 CR sometime, guys, based on your technical skills and experiences, guys. So these companies hire less engineers than IT service based companies, but compensation is typically much higher, guys. So top 8 MNC hiring cities in India. So these are the main cities, guys, in India which hires like top 8 cities. Most of the MNCs and tech parks are like established in these cities only are located, guys. So Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, Mumbai, Gurgaon, Noida and Kolkata, guys. There are other cities also, some small cities, other cities also they hire, but most of the hiring happening in these cities, guys. What are the current hiring trends? The current hiring trends is like based on the recent industry reports. Their hiring has become more selective now, with companies like placing greater emphasis on some practical coding experience and AI skills, and one cloud platform, guys. Cloud platform also they are asking too much, guys. But still, like many GCC global capability centers and other MNCs are continue to expand hiring in India, guys. Still hiring is going on continuously, guys. Every week if you see, like if you are going to switch, so if you updated your profile on LinkedIn and Naukri, so every week you will get call. Probably they start from Monday, Tuesday, and they close every Saturday, Sunday, every like hiring, guys. You just need to upgrade your skill, guys. So what are the best pathway to get selected or associated in any MNC, guys? So this is the main what I have in 10 years of experience, guys. And also I have seen other good friends who been into the top MNCs. I have worked with many directors and program managers, even center heads also. I have interacted many center head and founders also. So what are the main things I have found we have to take care in our career journey, guys, in technical. So first like we have to take care, we have to find the good like coding guru or tech mentor, we can say, It may be within your organization or outside the organization. It depends on to finding good tech mentor. You have to keep in touch. You have to keep upgrading yourself. You can also join my channel Genius Developer, or also my resources you can follow up. You will like Java Question Bank and other all. You will get good valuable insight in tech skills, guys. And you have to excel any one technical skill like Java, Python, Cloud, even JavaScript and TypeScript. And if you have Android, so you can go for the Kotlin and all, guys. So and connect with the company HRs via LinkedIn and Naukri, guys. So these 3 steps if you follow, so you can get good job offers like within couple of months, guys. Like 2-3 months, maximum 6 months if you concentrate, so definitely you will get selected in some companies, guys. What are the best companies for an experienced Java developer? Guys, for experienced Java developer, these are the some companies. If you are looking for senior Java developer role, these are Amazon, Microsoft, Oracle, JP Morgan, Chase, Goldman Sachs. They are the fintech companies, guys. ServiceNow, Salesforce, Adobe, Accenture, and TCS Digital, Infosys, HTL. These are the Cognizant, Capgemini. All those are the common companies, guys. The most frequently hired सॉफ्टवेयर एमएनसी रोल्स, गाइस. तो यहाँ हम देखेंगे कि मेन जो रोल है या जो डेजिग्नेशन मोस्टली कंपनीज देती हैं हायरिंग के समय, या जिस मोस्टली डेजिग्नेशन के लिए जो हायर करती हैं कंपनीज, उसके बारे में समझेंगे, गाइस. हम तो पहला होता है, गाइस, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर और सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट इंजीनियर, SD इन्हीं को बोलते हैं. ये इनमें इनके लिए एक्सपीरियंस 0 to 5+ ईयर्स हो सकता है SDA के लिए या सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग के लिए. इसमें 3 रोल आते हैं, SDE1, SDE2, SDE3. सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर और सीनियर सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर भी इसी में आते हैं, गाइस. इसके लिए जो मेन स्किल की ज़रूरत है, कोर स्किल जावा, पाइथन, C++, DSA, सिस्टम डिज़ाइन, कोई भी इनमें से कोई भी एक स्किल है तो आप आराम से ऐसे रोल्स के लिए सूटेबल रहेंगे, गाइस. दूसरा रोल होता है, गाइस, बैक एंड इंजीनियर का. बैक एंड इंजीनियर जो होते हैं, वन ऑफ द हाईएस्ट डिमांडिंग रोल होता है कंपनीज में. इसका कॉमन डेजिग्नेशन होता है बैक एंड डेवलपर, बैक एंड इंजीनियर, सीनियर बैक एंड इंजीनियर, जावा डेवलपर, पाइथन डेवलपर, API डेवलपर, गाइस. ये सारे बैक एंड इंजीनियर के रोल होते हैं. इसके लिए स्किल हमें कोई स्किल इसमें जावा स्प्रिंग बूट हो सकता है, पाइथन फास्ट API के साथ हो सकता है, माइक्रो सर्विसेज, गाइस. एक्चुअली जावा और पाइथन सब माइक्रो सर्विस में ही काम करते हैं. तो अगर आप कोई भी इसमें से 2 सीखते हैं तो माइक्रो सर्विस भी कवर हो जाएगा उसमें. और ये स्किल्स अगर है काफका, रेडिस, SQL, AWS, ये सभी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्किल है, गाइस. नंबर 3 रोल होता है फुल स्टैक डेवलपर का, गाइस. फुल स्टैक डेवलपर, इसमें जो कॉमन डेजिग्नेशन होते हैं, फुल स्टैक डेवलपर होता है, फुल स्टैक इंजीनियर होता है, सीनियर फुल स्टैक इंजीनियर होते हैं. इसके लिए स्किल चाहिए जावा प्लस रिएक्ट या एंगुलर. जावा प्लस रिएक्ट, दिस इज द मोस्ट डिमांडिंग स्किल, गाइस, करेंटली इन द जॉब मार्केट. एंड Node.js, और या तो स्प्रिंग बूट हो या टाइप स्क्रिप्ट हो सकता है या AWS हो सकता है, गाइस. चौथा रोल होता है AI इंजीनियर, जनरेटिव AI इंजीनियर, गाइस. दिस इज वन ऑफ द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग कैटेगरी इन 2026 विद कंपनीज इंक्रीजिंगली हायरिंग इंजीनियर्स हु कैन बिल्ड एंड डिप्लॉय AI applications rather than only research model. So they ask for the deploying and developing the application, not only to searching on ChatGPT or Gemini. And that is good quality. If you have ChatGPT or Gemini or any other AI you are using, that is good, but you have to learn how to develop AIs, guys. And common designation AI engineer, Gen AI engineer, LLM engineer. AI software engineer, AI platform engineer, guys. So coming to next topic, guys, machine learning engineer. Next designation is machine learning engineer. इसके लिए हमें स्किल चाहिए पाइथन, पाईटार, टेंसर फ्लो, एम एल ऑप्स, वेक्टर डेटाबेस, रैग, ये सब मॉडल हैं। इसमें अगर एक्सपीरियंस तो मशीन लर्निंग डेजिग्नेशन आपको मिल सकता है। नेक्स्ट डेजिग्नेशन है डेटा इंजीनियर, गाइस। डेटा इंजीनियर के लिए हमें इसके लिए भी पाइथन मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है, स्पार्क है, हडूप है, एसक्यूएल है, काफका है और एयर फ्लो है, गाइस। नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल है, गाइस, क्लाउड इंजीनियर। क्लाउड इंजीनियर के कॉमन डेजिग्नेशन होते हैं AWS क्लाउड इंजीनियर, एज्योर इंजीनियर, GCP इंजीनियर, क्लाउड सोल्यूशन इंजीनियर। ये सारे अलग अलग क्लाउड के ऊपर डेजिग्नेशन है, गाइस। देखिए इसमें से कोई भी एक क्लाउड अगर आपको पता है एज्योर, AWS, GCP में, तो बेस्ट रहेगा, गाइस। नेक्स्ट डेजिग्नेशन है डेवऑप्स इंजीनियर, गाइस। डेवऑप्स इंजीनियर के लिए आपको डॉकर आना चाहिए। स्किल्स जो इम्पोर्टेंट है, डॉकर है, कुबरनेटिस है, जेनकिंस है, टेराफॉर्म है, गिटहब एक्शंस है, AWS है, गाइस। ये सारे स्किल तो आप डेवऑप्स के लिए बेस्ट सूटेबल रहेंगे, गाइस। नेक्स्ट रोल है साइट रिलेबिलिटी इंजीनियर, SRE। ये लोग होते हैं जो प्लेटफॉर्म मैनेजमेंट या ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम मैनेजमेंट में ज़्यादा डिपेंड होते हैं। इसके लिए लाइनक्स का एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, कुबरनेटिस का चाहिए, प्रोमेथ्यूस का चाहिए, या ग्राफाना का, या AWS का, गाइस। कोई भी एक एक्सपीरियंस है किसी एक टेक स्टैक में तो बेस्ट रहेगा। नेक्स्ट डेजिग्नेशन, नेक्स्ट रोल है सोल्यूशन आर्किटेक्ट या टेक्निकल आर्किटेक्ट का। इसके लिए आपको 8 to 15 प्लस ईयर्स, 8 to 10 प्लस ईयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, गाइस। सोल्यूशन आर्किटेक्ट या टेक्निकल आर्किटेक्ट के लिए हायर रोल होता है। इसके लिए पैकेजेस भी अच्छे मिलते हैं, प्रॉब्लली 25 LPA प्लस 50 LPA तक भी जा सकता है आराम से। तो ये सिस्टम डिज़ाइन स्किल होना चाहिए, क्लाउड आर्किटेक्चर आना चाहिए, माइक्रो सर्विसेज स्किल होना चाहिए और इंटरप्राइज आर्किटेक्चर स्किल होना चाहिए इसके लिए, गाइस। और ये जो टॉप डिजिग्नेशन होता है इंजीनियरिंग मैनेजर का, गाइस। इंजीनियरिंग मैनेजर होते हैं या HR मैनेजर्स, इनके लिए एक्सपीरियंस 10 प्लस ईयर होना चाहिए, 10 प्लस ईयर से एक्सपीरियंस ज़्यादा होना चाहिए। इसके लिए आपको रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ होता है या स्किल होती है जो टीम लीडरशिप होना आना चाहिए, हायरिंग प्रोसेस आना चाहिए, टेक्निकल प्लानिंग आनी चाहिए, या प्रोजेक्ट डिलीवरी प्लानिंग आना चाहिए आपको। नेक्स्ट रोल होता है, गाइज, स्टाफ इंजीनियर का या प्रिंसिपल इंजीनियर। These are senior individual contributor focus on technical leadership rather than people management. So principal engineer, staff engineer, they are the senior engineers only, guys. Suppose you have 10 plus year, 12 plus year experience, they will assign you as a principal engineer. They will look the high level in the tech skill, guys. After that you can become CTO and all, guys, like chief technology officer and all. So this was about the designations and some top companies which hire in our India, guys. So coming to the next topic, guys. Yes, guys. So what are the highest demand roles or designation in 2026? Highest demand role or designation in 2026, guys. In current hiring data consistently highlights these roles among the fastest growing in India. These are the first is AI engineer, second is machine learning engineer, and third is backend engineer, fourth is DevOps engineer, fifth is cloud engineer, and sixth is data engineer, seven is full stack developer, guys, and eighth is the cyber security engineer, guys. So these are the top roles which are in high demand in current IT industry, guys. And this will be always remain, even like couple of years there will be same only, guys. So what are the best pathway to get selected and associated in MNC? So what are the like the best road map we can say to finding good opportunities in MNC or joining with any MNC, guys, you have to find a good coding guru or tech mentor, guys. You have to decide yourself to find who can guide you in the best way. You can also join my Genius Developer channel for the future updates and any technical related details, guys, updates, guys. So you have to excel any technical skill like Java, Python, cloud, and connect with company HRs via LinkedIn and Naukri, guys. This is the 3 step you can join any or you can get good opportunity in any MNCs, guys. So these are the some top hiring companies in India, category wise, guys. If we see category wise, actually all the companies have some like some are the banking clients, some are the healthcare clients, like that they have category wise, guys. So product companies are the mainly Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Adobe, Salesforce, Atlassian, Oracle, SAP, ServiceNow, Intuit. All these are the product based companies, guys. Every company have they have some own product, like Google has own Google product, Microsoft has Microsoft Window product, Amazon has their Amazon. You can think what's largest e-commerce, Amazon, guys, Amazon.com. And Adobe has their own product. Salesforce also they have own product. Atlassian, you know, Jira, Confluence, all those like Jira management tool or project management tool, all the Atlassian, guys. Oracle have Oracle their database and Java everything. SAP has SAP, ServiceNow, Intuit, all they have their own products. So usually they develop product and they hire the developers for those enhancement, guys. Now IT services and consulting, mainly these are the service based companies, guys. So usually they hire in their company but they deploy for the some good client, maybe international client or Indian client, any their internal client, it can they will deploy on that project, guys. So TCS, Infosys, Wipro, SCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, Accenture, Capgemini, Cognizant, LTI Mindtree, Persistent System. So all these are the top service-based companies, guys, who frequently hire, guys. Even they give little average package rather than the product-based companies, but there are more hiring happening always, guys. In every week or every month, suppose you updated your profile in Naukri or resume, you resign from previous company, so definitely you will get within a week call from these top companies, guys, for next opportunities. So these are the fintech and banking companies, guys. These are also very top hiring companies, guys. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, American Express, Visa, Mastercard, Paytm, all these companies hire for the fintech and banking solutions, guys. And fast growing Indian product based companies, these also hire in very huge role, guys. फ्लिपकार्ट, जैसे फ्लिपकार्ट हो गया, फ़ोन पे हो गया, रेज़र पे हो गया, मीशो हो गया, स्विगी हो गया, जोमेटो हो गया, फ्रेश वर्क्स हो गया, ये सारे फास्ट ग्रोइंग न्यू स्टार्टअप हैं, गाइस, प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज हैं. इसमें अगर देखते हैं सभी के अपने अपने प्रोडक्ट हैं, तो उन्हीं के लिए उनकी हायरिंग चलती रहती है, गाइस. So if you are expertise in Java, Python, Spring Boot, microservices, Kafka, Docker, Kubernetes, SQL and AWS, so these companies are consistently have a strong demand for your skills, guys. So keep upgrading your skills and keep learning new skills, guys. So I have always mentioned the best pathway you have to find a good mentor, guys. If you be associated with him and learning, and also use ChatGPT and Gemini, all those things, and Copilot. But you have to find some organized and structures mentorship and guidance. Then only you can skill yourself in perfect way, guys, and excel at least any technical skill, and connect with company HRs via LinkedIn and Naukri, guys. So you will be get easily nice job opportunities, guys. So this was the today's topic, guys. I hope this was very valuable and important informations for you guys. Hope you like this topic and informations. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel for such insightful sessions and videos, guys. And please drop your comments and doubts in the comment box, guys. I will be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching so far. We'll meet you in another insightful session, guys. Happy learning till then.